Pokemon 图案，哇！Adventure 帽子，有凯尤里帽子。
你知道那一口？
还有鸟啊，鸟。
Are they singing?
哇！哦，我们想要坐这种船，有一些大一点船，有一些小一点船。手抠出来。你看，他要吃菜，他也吃菜，我们也需要吃菜。There's no baby.
He skates a baby. How do where am I going to turn it? How do it? I have come in. Let's stop for a second. Me too.
You're too heavy. Oh. Yeah. Bismillah.
Because they want food. My dad gave me money for no reason.
Oh, it's okay. Keep it. Oh, 它尾巴多胖，可以看。它尾巴好胖哦。多好看 ，baby！ 它只。感觉像是男生。
那更胖。
对，更胖，它脸很凶。它手肌肉好胖。你看它脚脚，你看它脚脚，你看它脚脚多可爱！看它脚脚。
水瓶来那边。
在哪边？它在前面了。哦，它有hello我们吗？
哦，还有大鱼。Look over there, there Miss Rodriguez. No.
Now over there, the other side. Take the dog.
Harbor seal. And the larger seal that's currently in the water closer to the stadium, that is a gray seal. Gray seals are learned, they have a flatter nose and they have a lot of those spots on their belly. So training has many different parts to it. And one of the biggest reasons why we train is to make sure that the keepers are able to build a relationship and a connection with these seals so that they're able to tell when they might not be feeling well so that we can provide them with checkups or a rock or showing a flipper or spinning around like our gray seal. Third R, and that third R is a reward. And reward is defined as a kind of food enrichment, which is a way that really changes up their daily diet and allows them to get some
Oh, 另外一只好好看哦！我喜欢那另外一只。
that amazing donut shape. That's one way that we're
哇，它
able
颜
to
色
test
好
the
漂亮
ability of
哦！
dexterity. Moving around like that helps us make sure that they're able to move their body well on land and in water. Our keepers check the mouth.
看它牙
And。that reward that they get is often, what do you think? Raise your hand if you think.
水啊！看到它在石头上面，它在石头上面睡觉，baby。有看到吗？
Guys, there's penguins! The penguins are over here, Frank. That's their doodle.
河流。
This is Canada!
好舒服哦！耶！这个哦，它是 eagle。Look at his eyes.
I can't see it. I can't see the eyes.
From this
Oh,
side.
now I see it.
Yes. Look at the beak.
Hi.
It looks so smart. 哇，它可以，但是我不能摸它，好靠近哦。哇，好靠近看这个鸟哦。哇，好漂亮鸟哦！这个有，哇，有一只在上面睡觉，好大只哦。那长头发那只鸟。哇，有鱼哦！耶，哦，它把鱼切开来了，是 herring 吧？就是那个小。
And bear.
哇，这是汤。
I've eaten one.
哇，它舌头哎。
这有硬硬哦。
对啊，猫咪也是这样啊。
By tasting
猫咪不是硬硬，
Did you take a location?
猫咪更小的
更
哦。
小啊。
猫咪耳蟹，它不是当大。
哦，看它在干嘛？它在吃它自己用那种。哇，有超哇，that big one.
Oh, there's big.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
That's the lilac.
Look at that!
Oh, roar! Give me a roar! Give me a roar for legacy and respect.
Legacy.
The lion.
真的在看它哎。刚刚男生上，女生在看他哎。See all the girls are looking at him.
Oh, they wanna hide with the cake.
Monkey 要吃菜啊。出来了，他要吃那个菜。耶！哇，它尾巴好漂亮哦！哇！好漂亮哦！它衣服好漂亮。哇哇！哦！
To the moonwalk. I'll give me she's doing. Where? Look, they're doing. Bro, look at. Oh, he's about to get it.
It's for a while, we're like,
Stand together.
She's also. Yo, wait, Are you scared?
这上面应该有彩虹吧？